All right, we're back. Okay. So, I apologize. This is my first time speaking today. Good morning. We're just gonna go down my checklist. Um, yeah, so I've got some UI things to do. I think I like the idea of this one and this one. I think I'm gonna do these today. So basically, when you open this, you can press escape, I guess. Oh, it's also coming from the left. Is that how it works in game too? Oh yeah, it comes from the left. I want it to come from the center. So let's fix that too. Also, yeah, did you see that loading bug? So let's create save. Is it because of this? Like if I do this. Yeah, okay. So I think it's just a debug problem. Oh, I should save these too. Okay, let's add that to the list real quick. Right here. Save. Slider settings. Okay, but first I want to do these. We're gonna start with the bug. Menus come from the left in full screen. Okay, that should be easy enough. I think that I probably just have. Okay, so pause menu. Full rect. So then it's something else is the problem. Menu container. Full rect. Let's just make sure that it's not coming from the left in not full screen real quick. Yeah, it comes from the center. And comes from the left. Ooh, I wonder if that breaks anything. It doesn't. Okay. Sorry, I'm just testing some stuff out. Okay. Game over menu. Why is it coming from the left? Let's look at the title menu one. It's full rect. Is it just, do I have to change the pivot? Layout, transform, size. But that's based on being full rect. Fill, got it. And what do I change? Change the alpha and the scale. So if I take, and it's menu container, the scale changes on. So if I just go, okay, yeah, I've got a pivot offset on this one, but I must need to calculate. That's interesting. Layout mode, anchors. Because if I do this, then it grows from the top left, which is very similar to the issue we're having. Yeah, I guess I just need to do a resize. It would be like this. Node resized. And, let's do here. And it'll be menu container dot, what's it called? Pivot offset. It's messed up. It's window. No, this is different. This one. Get viewport.size. But then I have to divide it by the aspect ratio. I don't think I need to do that for this one. My LSP got messed up again. vector 2. What size is vector 2i? Oh, would you look at that? Division does return a vector 2. Lucky, lucky. So let's see what that does. Not quite. See, it's coming like from here. So maybe I do need to do the whole division thing. Resize, yeah, okay. Oh, or was it that I did get window instead of get viewport? Let's try that. Nope, still there. Just copy this stuff. So the aspect ratio, then the view size, then the new size. Except for I don't need to do that. I can just do vector 2 of view size dot x. Divided by aspect dot y. Oh, except for let's do view size divided by 2. Let's see what this looks like. Yep, comes right from the center. So now on resize, yeah, it comes from the center. Okay, I think that's gonna be fine. Except for now I've got to add this to every menu, which is the pause menu. And then the game over menu. What have I done? Oh no. I copied the input. Okay. So now I gotta hook up those signals. Game over menu. Resized on resized. Title menu. Nope. I need pause menu. There we go. Okay, let's see if it works. So this works. Pause menu is coming from the center. Let's end the game. Comes from the center. And then we go full screen. All right, I need to. This pause comes from the center. This comes from the center. And then exit full screen. Still comes from the center. Pause comes from the center. Kill the game comes from the center. So I think, well, I guess let's see. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Did it cause any lag? Is my computation causes a little bit of lag, but I think that's normal. I think even before all those changes, it would do that when you resize dramatically. Like I think any app would do that. Okay. Yeah, it's all good. Good. I'm actually kind of surprised that it seems unresized is getting called, like, even if you enter a scene, it gets resized. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so let's consider that done. I did notice also that I seem to have fixed the exiting this new game thing. Wow, as I say it, it's no longer working. I swear I was just clicking outside of it and it was working. That's so funny. Is it only in full screen? That's so weird. I swear it was just working like that. Was it not? Oh, that's a little weird. You can click behind these. Cancel triggers menu. Dismiss. What is that? Continue. I wonder why I called it that. Okay, well that's funny. So you can press escape at least. I think that's fine, and I think I could use my controller. Oh. Okay, I should make the back button work on all of these. Yeah, let's do that. Let's work on that right now. So, menus. I guess I've already got input here. I just need. Do I have back mapped to anything? Input map. Okay, let's filter by event. This button. Nope. The right one is Nintendo A. I hate that. Yeah, it's Xbox B, Nintendo A. Oh man, I'm gonna want to change that if I keep using Godot. Okay, let's just add new action. I'm just gonna call it back. Where'd it go? Let's go to the bottom. Come on. Come on. There we go. All devices, and then we will do escape. Just gonna oh, did that save? Okay, it saves. And then in the menus, we'll just or right? Okay. Is that right? Is it or is it this? I can't remember. Seems like either one works. Although this is technically not true. What I'm writing. Oh, wait, if visible. Okay, this is new game menu. So if visible, so I was right. I do want this. And then we do back. Okay. So then we go to the next menu, pause menu. Oh. Yeah. Okay, if it's UI cancel or pause, trigger menu, and then so trigger menu will show it. So let's do if visible again. And see, I'm using or here. I can't. Let's do that. Okay, event is action pressed back. Okay, let's do that. Actually, what would back even do in the game over menu? So I don't think I want it in here. I mean, I guess it would just go to the... Yeah, see, I don't even have input in here. Yeah, let's make them choose. So I should now be able to hit B on the controller. Yep. Uh-oh, except focus got messed up. New game menu. I must have a focus thing. Is that what dismiss is? Let's see. Yeah, what is reading this dismiss event? Is it just the title menu? Restore focus. I think that was the idea behind the dismiss thing. Was that it would restore focus. Let's see, where's this called? On play button pressed. Remove focus. Yeah, I think that was the idea. Yeah, because it's really only used... Oh wait, yeah, there it is. On dismiss, connect. Restore focus. So I should be calling dismiss. New game menu, trigger menu. If visible, instead it should call dismiss. That should fix that. Okay. So now I'm on a controller. I do this. I can move between these. Hit back. What? It doesn't restore focus. Do I have to remove focus? I could try that. Continue button dot remove focus. What's it called? Focus. Focus mode, focus none. Is it delete button? Oh wait, I think it's just that restore focus doesn't pick on a button. That's what it is. So I need to just do play button dot grab focus. I think that was the real solution. But might as well cover my bases. Yep. Oh, except for now these, oh, because these are marked as none. So now I need to do this. If is desktop. And then focus mode all. Okay. Okay, that's working. Let's see what pause menu looks like. Oops. If I hit back, save. Okay, cool. That's a nice surprise for myself later. But yeah, okay, so that's make a way to get out of new game dialog. Yeah, you can hit back button or escape. The question I had was, do I want an exit button? Oh yeah, I need an exit button because for mobile. So, new game menu. The plan was just to put an X icon up here. I think I have an X icon. Yeah, it's for the game over menu. So I can just do a texture button. And let's see, I should be able to put it somewhere, right? No. Can't apparently. Okay, let's see if I can put it in the glow container. Dang. What if I just add a control node and put the button in there? Then can I move? Yeah, okay. Then I can move the button wherever I want. Just call it whatever. Okay. Menu container is how is this determined? How is the size determined? probably isn't. But I can just do this will be huh? Okay, let's put it in here instead. Yeah, okay. So now I can do this, and then I can do this top right. Okay, yeah, I think that works. And I can even that, I think. All right, let's add the textures. This is just an unfortunate dialogue design. I think I might give up on this for a sec. I think I'll come back to that. Because this is a greater issue, which is... Let's see, did I... Yeah. Oh, focus box does look bad. Let's work on this one. Can't exit game in full screen mode. Fix that one. Mobile. I mean, okay, I can do something for this real quick. New game menu. Notification. I can do this. Yep, that's the one right there. This is the leaderboard menu. And instead of this, we do trigger menu, but only if visible. And okay, so that's what I can do on mobile. Basically, when, well, oh shoot, but that doesn't work for iOS. Dang it. Okay, this is just for Android. All right, so we'll just leave this on the list. But I want to tackle this one. Can't exit full screen mode or game in full screen mode. So basically, like, you have to either know to hit Alt F4, or you have to go up here, exit full screen, and do that. I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna put an X somewhere. Should I just put it down here? Make all the corners usable? Yeah, let's just do that. It's fine. title menu. So I mean, yet again. If display server dot window, what is it? Window get current, no. Display server dot mode, window get mode. Okay, no, I can do one better. Do if global dot full screen, then I have to show the exit button. All right, so let's make the exit button. Quit button pressed. Then let's put it bottom right. Easy enough. And it'll be hidden. Nope. That's the wrong one. Okay, so it's hidden. Oh gosh. Exit button dot show. Can I do visible? Oh, hang on. And quit, yeah, I think that's it. Can I set visible? Yeah, set visible. Or no, is visible. Yeah, okay, set visible equals global dot full screen. Okay, that's all I need, I think. Let's find out. So if I go exit full screen, it's gone. Cool, exit. Sweet, easy enough. I wonder how that looks on mobile. We'll check it out next time. All right, that's going to be it for me today.